Well, we're taking apart my RM125 today. It's already partially taken apart, almost down to the frame, down to the engine, and this is so far what I have so far. If you can see, I'm working on my clutch right now. I have my suspension sent out to Shock Therapy out of Durand, Michigan. He's been doing our suspension for quite a long time. I'll be replacing the jug and the piston eventually, and going through all the bearings and just doing a build, just making it nice, pristine, just ready for the trails and the track and enduro. Alrighty, so we back on to taking off the clutch baskets, and this is how to take off your clutch baskets without any special tools or anything. So here it is. So this is my RM125. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver, and you just kind of come up here to there, and just pull out your clutch basket and just easily just go both sides, side to side, and here you get it, and then it should pop right off, and then there you go. Clean, nice, smooth, easy, no special tool to take off your clutch basket. So guys, since I just got my clutch basket off, I will be well, filing down my fingers. If you can see there, they are botched, so therefore I'm gonna go ahead and go file them. I'll show you how to do that. So now we're on to filing your clutch basket if you're trying to save some money, kind of like I am, because, well, that's just the name of the game. So what you're gonna need is a file and a vise, and you're not gonna tighten the vise up quite tight until all you're gonna do is just get it loose, so you can slide it in there on the bottom gear, and then you're just gonna snug it up, give it a couple taps, so it's just like that. And then I will go into time lapse. So this is boring for you guys. Time lapse on cleaning my basket, and this is you can only do this just a couple times, just the band-aid, just to get back to riding. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to reinstall your clutch basket with no special tools. All you're gonna need 2x4. You're gonna need a 2x4, clutch basket, and rubber mallet. Slide that puppy back on. Right there, it's stuck. Right there, it's stuck. So you can't slide it on, hit it. You're gonna take that with your 2x4. Make sure it's flat. Just a couple hits till it pops in. Then you get right up on your gear. And there you go. That is how you reinstall your clutch basket with no special tools.